Kuzombala, my name is Sugantile and welcome to PandoraBiz tutorial. Uh, this video is about how to set the alarm or how to do the alarm setting. First of all, when you open the app, you will see it like this. All you need to do is to go to the setting, press the three dot that is near the 4G cloud. Press go to setting, go to alarm setting. You can turn it on. Then there is a few options there where you can select when you want the alarm to be activated. I will recommend you all day if you are staying at home, if you're not at home during the day, you can select the daytime. If you are not there at your shop during the night, you can turn on the night one, or you can even do the custom setting at the time setting. But I recommend the all day one. Then the alarm area means the alarm area. Uh, what the alarm area means that there you will click up the image of a particular area, and so whenever there is a movement within that area, the camera's alarm will go off. And the last one is camera sound. You can turn it on if you want. That the default one is the one where it sounds like an ambulance sound, and or you can custom record your voice or the song or anything you want. So that's all about alarm setting. Thank you.